Darvanalee Design Studio. My name's Nicole Reed and today I'm doing a review on the Hazel Hedgehog 2 pattern by Elizabeth Hartman. First and foremost, I just want to let everybody know that I'm not sponsored by Elizabeth Hartman or have been approached by her. This is an independent review that I am doing myself. It is a follow-on from my Finish It Friday video that I do every Friday on my YouTube channel, and basically I'm just going to discuss a little bit about this pattern. Now, for those that have never heard of Elizabeth Hartman, she is a fabulous designer. She does a lot of lately she's been doing a lot of forest animals and stuff like that. I sort of was getting into this last year and I wanted to do this one. This is the second one that I have done. This one here is for my daughter. I did one for a lady named Linda. We did a black and white swap, so I did a hedgehog very similar to this, and except it had aqua glasses on it and aqua binding because aqua was her favorite color, and we just did that swap together. So when you buy this pattern, you can get it from her website, and I'll link that up down below for you so you can find it. You get actually quite a few directions in it for different sizes. So there is a pillow, a baby quilt, a child's quilt, and a lap quilt. And you can see here in the background it's showing you there's the pillow, this is the size that I've done, except I didn't turn it into a pillow. I've just turned it into a mini quilt for my mini quilt wall. But you can turn it into a pillow, and there's instructions in there for that. And then there's the lap quilt, which has the a gigantic one on it, and then there's a smaller one that it has for the baby quilt. So basically, you on the front page you've got all the materials that you're going to need. It just gives you light, medium, and dark for the spines. And as you can see from some of the pictures, it's just, you know, you can do it whatever color you want. It's limitless, and I've seen some amazing ones on Instagram. So if you've got a spare 15 minutes, go for a bit of a scroll, put in Hazel Hedgehog, and I'm sure a myriad of them will come up. You get all the instructions you need. Everything is labeled very clearly, and she gives you different sorts of layouts and stuff like that, so you can have, you know, for one of the quilts you could put 4 of them in there and just have one with glasses. Is up to you. It shows you how to construct them quite clearly as well. This is not in foundation paper piecing. This is all patchwork. So if you can do patchwork, then you can do this pattern. It's very clearly set out in step by step. Then it gives you how to make the pillow. So if you do the size that I've got here, it shows you how to do that. Even how to do the envelope back of it as well. And then it goes into making the baby quilt, which has one of the it's 34 inches by 37 inches, which is a decent size cock quilt, and it has just the one on there. Then the child's quilt has 4 hedgehogs, and then the lap quilt, well, that has you can have the big ones there as well. So it just goes on and shows you a couple of close-ups and everything like that. Now you also get glasses in there for it. So you can see here, these are, I've already stuck these together, so they come in 2 separate sheets, and I've stuck them together. So these are the glasses for the gigantic one, and then you get another sheet, which is what I've used on this particular mini quilt here, which is it's called the large size, and again you get 2 sheets and you just stick them together, and then you just trace it out and you can put it onto your Flicefix, which I've done here for the gigantic ones in preparation for the next quilt that I do, and I've just put that together, and then they'll be there ready to go. So I will give this pattern for a confident beginner and up, most definitely. As I said, the pattern is laid out very well. The instructions are very clear and concise, and even if you haven't done much patchwork, you could definitely do this pattern. I head over to her website, and I'm not sure of what her website is off the top of my head right now, but it'll be definitely over there. I will link it up down below. This particular pattern came out in 2014, so it's quite an old one, and she's done lots more since then. Head over, have a look, see what she's got. I'm sure there's something there that'll take your fancy. I think most of her patterns are actually PDF. I think you can get them in paper as well. And anything that I find along the way, I'll link up down below for you. So if you like this video today, give us a thumbs up down below. Hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. My name's Nicole Reid for Darvanalee Design Studio, and this is Pattern Review Weekly. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.